Welcome to Attention Talk Video, where we pay attention to attention. Now, here's your host, Jeff Copper.
Welcome, everybody, to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, cognitive engineer and ADHD coach, Jeff Copper. Notice I said cognitive engineer, not just ADHD coach. Cognitive engineer is because I've developed a new field of engineering called cognitive ergonomics from the inside out, which is about taking an engineering approach to helping people with ADHD. Now, note it's not ADHD ergonomics, it's cognitive ergonomics, because it's good for anybody that has an executive functioning impairment. So let's begin. One of the things that we're doing these days is start talking about what's obvious depends on what you're paying attention to. So the question is, what was the president's name in 1972? Some of you have given up on that answer because you're just like, I don't even want to think about it. Some of you might be kind of thinking back. Many of you would probably say Ronald Reagan, but I'd actually say Donald Trump. The president's name today was the president's name in 1972. My point really is what's obvious depends really on what you're paying attention to. So today, what I want to talk about is we have a tendency to pay attention to tips, tricks, and strategies. And what I want you to understand is those things are useful because they help us think, but they actually don't do the thinking for us. I've done this in other videos before, but I'm doing this under what's obvious depends on what you're paying attention to. So let's bring a context to this. A strategy is an overarching thing that you're trying to do. For example, I'm a business owner, and my strategy is I'm going to start publishing a blog to attract people to me to buy my product to increase my revenue. That's a strategy. You might say, I'm going to do YouTube videos or, I don't know, podcasts. Those are different strategies. A plan might be, I'm going to write a blog on Thursday at 11 o'clock. If you've got ADHD, if you haven't noticed, what happens is Thursday comes and goes and you didn't write the blog. Why? It wasn't because you had a strategy and you actually had a plan. Well, here's where it breaks down. ADHD is a problem-solving impairment. You know what a blog is, and you might have a title. Where executive functions are evolved, they're a collection of mind tools that you use to solve problems. And the issue is, of the 50 ideas that you have related to this topic, which 5 are the most relevant? What words will you use to articulate each of those elements? What order will you put those elements in sufficient to be compelling for people to read and be attracted to what you're doing? That's why you don't do it. That's where the impairment is. Neurotypicals can do that easier. Because ADHD is an executive function impairment, it's less efficient. It's harder. It takes more effort. At some point in time, it takes so much effort emotionally, you escape to go do something else. So what cognitive ergonomics does, it starts to take a look at this stuff and say, hey, what's obvious depends on what you're paying attention to. And if you notice, the current interventions are not working because we're paying attention to the wrong thing. It's not the tip, trick, tool, or strategy. It's problem solving. And how do you make problem solving easier? The shovel doesn't do the digging, right? It makes digging easier, but it actually doesn't do it. It's about thinking. So my point really here is if you got ADHD and this is intriguing you, go to cognitive-ergonomics.com to learn a little bit more about the intervention. But recognize is that if you're out there and you're getting plan or after plan or an organization system after organization system and they're not really working, what I'm suggesting to is you're paying attention to the wrong thing. Most of ADHD is a problem-solving impairment or a thinking impairment, which is best done in collaboration with other people. If you're new to this channel and this has piqued your interest, subscribe. We provide weekly tip or comment on ADHD. If you're an existing subscriber, what do you think of all this? And then I'd like to thank all my existing subscribers for liking me and putting things in the comment. I'm competing a lot against eye candy, clickbait, and entertainment these days. And so just being active kind of helps keep my channel relevant and help the people that are in need. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.